Are you seeking information about the fuse box diagram and location for the 2024 Chevrolet Express? What essential functions do the various fuses serve, and how can you determine which fuse is linked to specific electrical components in your vehicle? Engine compartment fuse block. The engine compartment fuse block contains fuses that protect critical electrical systems such as the engine, fuel pump, and lighting. It features a clear diagram on the cover for easy identification of fuse locations and functions. Additionally, it is designed for quick access, allowing for straightforward fuse replacements and maintenance. Auxiliary fuse block. The auxiliary fuse block contains fuses for additional electrical components and accessories, providing flexibility for custom installations. It often includes circuits for aftermarket equipment, such as auxiliary lights or audio systems. This fuse block is designed for easy access, allowing users to quickly replace fuses as needed. Floor console fuse block. The floor console fuse block houses fuses that protect interior electrical components, such as the power windows, radio, and climate control systems. It includes a diagram on the cover to help identify each fuse's function. Designed for easy access, it allows for quick fuse replacements to maintain electrical system functionality.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse. Standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse. High amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.